going to put one of these little envelopes in there. I'm going to use that one. That one's quite nice. But I'm going to put a bit of my touch on it because it's getting nice and warm in here now. Is it still light out there? Yeah. And those foxes now, they're just, well, the babies, not the adults. The babies are just jumping on me when I get out there now. I don't know if that is too yellow for that page, actually, now I've inked that up. Looks like it's going to be Mr. Bloody Owl, doesn't it? How ironic is that? I don't really want to use you. I don't even want to look at an owl. You stop me from sleeping. I'm going to use these. Yeah, I'm going to use 2 of the plain ones. And I'm going to do something weird with them. Just because I can. So I do need to ink that side. Okay. And I'll show you what I've done in a second, just so you understand it. And make sure it's not asking me to do a puzzle again. I wish it would ask me to do something more easier than a puzzle. Fold that. I want that in the same place. What shall we use? This one. Yeah. Let's use this one. And a smaller one. That one. So when you open this page, it initially looks like it's just that, but you open it and your bits and bobs are in there. It's a little secret compartment, see, very secret. So that's that. You can tart this up more. This isn't how I would leave each page. I would